Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a time machine, revving up our engines as we explore the iconic Revology 1967 Mustang GT and GTA. Buckle up because this is where classic meets contemporary in a spectacular way. Power and performance. Under the hood, the Revology Mustang boasts a Ford GN 4 5-liter Ti-VCT Coyote DOHC V8, producing a thrilling 460 horsepower. Whether you opt for the 6-speed manual or the electronically controlled 10-speed automatic transmission, you'll experience effortless highway cruising and exhilarating acceleration. Performance brake package. Power 4-wheel disc brakes with ventilated rotors and 4-piston calipers are standard. The optional performance brake package features larger, 12.88-inch slotted and ventilated rotors with 6-piston front calipers, 4-piston rear. Requires 17-inch wheels. Precision engineering for superior handling. Equipped with a double wishbone suspension and power rack and pinion steering, the Revology Mustang offers modern handling dynamics while preserving the soul of the original muscle car. The carbon fiber drive shaft enhances refinement, reducing driveline harshness for a smoother ride. Exterior. LED reverse and parking lamps, tail lamps with sequential turn signals, exterior door handle courtesy lamps, and optional LED headlamps provide improved visibility at night, as well as a distinctive appearance, day or night. The Revology paint process consists of an epoxy primer, urethane primer, base coat, and clear coat. We use exclusively glasurit automotive paint finishes for the ultimate in appearance and durability. Contemporary OEM colors from Ferrari, Porsche, Lexus, and others also available. Interior. Power-assisted features abound, including windows, seats, steering, and brakes. Keyless entry and push-button start with rolling code encryption enhance security. The Revology-designed full-length console features brushed aluminum trim, and the premium bucket seats are trimmed in Napa leather. LED instrument and interior lighting enhances visibility and convenience at night. Thanks for joining us on this exhilarating journey through the world of Revology 1967 Mustang GT and GTA. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome car content, and comment below on what dream features you'd love to see in the perfect Mustang. Until next time, keep the rubber on the road and the spirit of classic cars alive.